The following footage you are about to see is of a 6-minute, 51-second long montage of me creating a game in Unity 3D. If you want this episode will serve as an introduction to the Technical Tuesday series. Future episodes will not be montages and will not involve as much bug fixing or code and will be more streamlined for a more enjoyable end user experience. If you want to know why I am doing this, please watch the previous intro video. Otherwise, you can either carry on and watch this video or skip ahead to the next video. The next video, however, will not be streamlined and will be a bug fixing video. However, it was the final 10-minute video of me bug fixing, and I fixed the bugs, and I fixed all the bugs of the features that I wanted to implement at that time, and it's pretty awesome, and I think you should watch that episode. Otherwise, if you don't want to see any of these, skip ahead to episode 3. This is going to be episode part 1 here. The intro would be episode 0, and that episode I just mentioned where I do the final bug fixing is episode 2. Episode 3 will be streamlined for end user experience. Thank you, and I hope you keep watching this video. Hello everyone, my name is James Ryan, and I am making a game for you in Unity 3D. Yay! And we need to make it so that this waypoint, when we spawn it in, oh, that's interesting. It's got its Y position at 90, apparently. Oh gosh, I mean that was stupid. That was stupid of me. Okay, hang on. 0. We need to make its X at 90. Bam. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's rotated. Now, if I put this in, it'll still say it's rotated at 90 degrees though. So I wonder what effect that will have on the final lookout. And as I predicted, it's not going to have it's still going to have a problem, because just because it's by default rotated by that, it doesn't mean it treats that as its forward. Okay, guys, I'm back, and now we're going to code an array into the player script.java.js file. So, in addition to having this, we'll have a variable, okay, and we'll call it waypoints, and now I need to look up arrays. Oh gosh. Arrays. Now there are two types of arrays that we can use in JavaScript and Unity. The built-in arrays, which are .NET constructs or something, or the JavaScript, or the arrays. Yeah, arrays allow you to store multiple objects in a single variable. See, there are built-in arrays and normal JavaScript arrays. So reason I'm doing it this weird. Hi guys, my name is James Ryan. I'm making a game for you in Unity 3D. Yeah. Reason I'm doing this and statement weird way like this is because I only want this to bounce off like this with the vector 3 and stuff. Only if the waypoints is 0 and if it's not the last object it hit. But for the else statement later on, I only care about whether if waypoints was 0, because otherwise if waypoints was say 1, but the game object was last object, then not only would this not hit, but it wouldn't activate the else either. It would still activate the else. I'm gonna see what happens if I get rid of a particular set of lines, the else line. So now we'll see what happens. Let's increase the speed actually of the bouncy balls. Speed can go back up to 5. I do believe that's what it was at. And let's right click. And as you can see, it should act normally for the moment. Good. But what if I add one of these? They should all start passing through walls or something. Okay, now they're just doing stupid things, aren't they? Well, they're doing something stupid, as I predicted. I'm not quite sure what this stupid thing is. Oh, hang on. Okay. Hi guys, my name is James Ryan, and I'm here to make for you a game in Unity 3D. And what I'm doing right now is figuring out a way to get this game object thing to work, these arrays to work as this scene to realize that the array is full of game objects and not just generic objects. Now, one way to do that is to make it a built-in array, I would assume. Because if I do a built-in array, it's got to do with the way I create these built-in arrays. So if I do array, a built-in array, the way I do it is the type of the array is the type of variable it stores, but then with these two square brackets next to it, which lets it know that it's an array that holds those types of variables rather than just that type, one of those types of variables. Hi guys, I'm back. My name is James Ryan, and I am here to make a game for you in Unity 3D. As you can see, my ball moving around algorithm has worked fine. We do need to test a few things. First of all, there is a problem with the direction it goes after it's found its way. It doesn't bounce correctly, and that's because it's heading towards the same way it was. So let's do update. No, we're just going to keep that normal. What we want it to do is bounce off properly once it's hit the same area. Hi guys, my name is James Ryan, and I'm here to make a game for you in Unity 3D, and we're currently investigating a problem with our smart functioning. So as you can see right here, it should bounce off normally because it hit the ball properly. Right? That's correct. But here, see how it went back towards, see how it has multiple red lines if we just climb up this wall. See how it has multiple red lines here. What happened there? Hang on. Let me get a good angle to show you. Oh, I can't show you. That's fine though, because we still have this ball around. Hi, my name is James Ryan, and I'm here to make a game for you in Unity 3D. Expecting, but found equals. What's going on? Oh, if velocity equals. Sorry. There we go. Bam, that should fix the errors. Is that it? Yep, okay. So now I just need to check how this all works. Okay, we've still got these giant things, but that's okay for the moment. Okay, this is even worse. I mean, terrible things are happening. Array index is out of range. What does this mean? Just a second. So, the problem is that, waypoints could have length 0 at this. Thank you for watching the montage. If you want to see the next episode, please move on to part 2 of this series. The next episode will consist of me finally solving all the bugs that I've been talking about through this video. Although you may not have had a clear picture of what exactly was going on during this video, because it is a montage of basically 80 minutes worth of footage condensed into 10 minutes with you only seeing 1 minute every 10. Next video will make a lot more sense. If you do not want to see any more bug fixing, then I suggest you wait until episode 3 comes out and watch that. Thank you. My name is James Ryan, and I have been your host. Peace out.